Hi guys, today I'm going to review the Dewalt folding retractable utility knife. So the premise here is you have a retractable knife, but it folds closed, so it's easier for you to carry it in your pocket or in your belt or in a tool pouch. Here we have the belt clip. It opens with two hands, and then there's a liner lock. You can see this steel bar inside. To close the knife, you push that out of the way and you fold the knife closed. Blade storage compartments open up by pushing up here with right here with my thumb. Holds 3 blades. It closes with a loud snap, and it feels pretty secure. Here we have the wire and cord cutting notch, and then here's a rubber pad for your thumb as you apply cutting pressure. Here's the first position, second, third, fully open. Now the blade change. I find just pushing the button doesn't help. I have to push down and up, and the blade comes out. Putting the blade back in, sometimes putting straight in jams. So sometimes I put it at an angle and helps. Straighten it out, push down and up, and it goes all the way in. Last step. You have to push or pull very carefully to make sure the blade is seated. Sometimes you'll hear a click. Hear the click, and you can fully close it. Other times, it might look closed, but it's not. Because here you try to close it, and it jams. Here we'll have to push it slightly. You'll hear a click, and seated. To be honest, I did like the older model. I didn't really use it a lot because I don't like the 2-step, but for what it was good. This one, opening it is a chore. It's not fast, it's not easy, and the blade change is certainly not easy. So in comparison, if we have something like this, and I have to open it quick, it's open, it's closed, open, closed. This one, 2 hands you need. And it's just, and the other designs, like this is a Husky lockback, you could open it with 1 hand, and then still need 2 hands to close it. You still open it with 1 hand, do what you need to, then you close it. Or a standard retractable, look how much easier the blade change is here, and you're done. Just pull it out, and you're done. It just, I don't like this knife. It was an impulse buy. I saw it at Home Depot for $10. I thought it looks a little different than the one I used to have. So I thought maybe I could use it. Maybe I'll review it. I don't like it. I feel it's been, some parts are better, like the blade storage. That is a little improved, but everything else seems to be made worse. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions.